Hello guys, so today we are at the Standard Atlanta, which is very closely situated to Georgia Tech. The university is so close by that you can walk every single day. So it's one of those legacy properties that students love booking, especially international students. We as a company, Amber, has done a lot of bookings here and we are very happy to get a tour, and here is the start of it. So right now we are standing outside Standard Atlanta and we have Kelly who is going to help us through the entire tour. Hi Kelly.
Hello.
Let's take a tour of the property.
Let's take a tour.
So first things first, you need that key,
Yes,
right?
we'll need a key fob. You can't get in the building or around it without one. So to unlock all doors around the property, let's unlock the front door. All right.
We enter the space and this is where
This is the lobby. So we receive packages down here, and we usually have a coffee bar. This is also where you get like your groceries, your Uber Eats, your DoorDash delivered, and your mail, your paper mail is down here as well.
Amazing. So the paper mail should be like a system that you guys have.
Yes.
Oh, you have a mail.
Yeah, we can step in here.
Amazing.
So we have mailboxes for every apartment, and there's signage telling you what mailbox goes with which apartment.
Okay, understood. Okay, you have indications like this to
Yes.
make sure that these are the number of rooms in that floor and their
And then the
mailboxes.
sign right behind you has your apartment number and your mailbox number.
Amazing. I don't want to give that away. Whoever is watching the video, you guys are sorted when it comes to your mail assortments, and I think you guys are also partnered with Fetch.
Yes, we'll be doing Fetch next year, so your package will be delivered straight to your door.
Okay. Cool.
And this is our elevator lobby, our main elevator lobby. We have two sets. This set goes from floors 1 through 18, and our other set goes from floors 1 through 10.
Okay, so both one is in the north end and one is in the south end. Is it something like that?
Yes, one is our mid-rise, that's the floors 1 through 10, and this is our high-rise elevator, which is all floors up to 18.
Understood. So it's total of 18 floors. So now we are at the 18th floor. I think we're going to see some amenities right now.
We're heading to our Sky Lounge first.
Yeah, and this is accessible for every single student with that key, of course.
Yes.
So do they have residency as well in this floor, or like is it just amenities?
Yes, there are residents on this floor, and then we have our one amenity space, the Sky Lounge. All right. Okay, so this is our 18th floor lounge. We have plenty of TVs and seating space. We also have an air hockey and pool table, and a nice outdoor balcony space. It's really nice at night. You can see the sunset and everything, and the skyscrapers. Yes, this amenity is open to all residents, just like all of our amenity spaces.
Look at that view. I mean, every single side you look at, you have a different view of the entire city. And I think that is a university, if I'm not wrong, right? One of the university buildings. Amazing. This is amazing view. The space is huge. It has massive roof. And it almost looks like a very classy restaurant. That's what I feel like.
Yes.
If I would love to work here rather than in my office.
It is a great job. Inside like our typical gym.
Understood. So guys, we are now entering into the gym where they have a jungle gym concept as well, where you can work out outside instead of working out inside a room, which is amazing because working out in the nature is something that everyone is looking for.
Right. You get a nice breeze out
And
as well.
I think we are going to enter one of the most fully packed and loaded gym that we have seen in this store. I mean, all of the properties that we have visited, of course. As you can see, you have every single equipment that you would need to lift, to build, as well as to cardio in. So I can see a Stairmaster.
Yes.
So that is a special amenity for a student housing property. You have a Stairmaster, you have all kinds of machineries when it comes to weightlifting, and all of the other amenities when it comes to cardio as well. Yes.
We have our yoga room over here.
So guys, this is amazing because you have a separate space, I think soundproofed as well. This is the yoga studio that they have. As you can see, it's an amazing space. It's not a small space like other properties that we have visited. This is a huge space where you have ample of space to have a group yoga session as well. You have a TV where you can follow all those moves and everything that they show, and then imitate the same thing here. You have your yoga mats also given to you right here. And this is 24/7 if I'm not wrong.
Correct.
So this gym is 24/7. That basically means one thing: this will never be packed. You can come work out at any point of the night or in the day that you'd like.
It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom.
Okay.
This is our Bradford floor plan.
Bradford.
Yes.
Got it. All right.
In the kitchen, every apartment will have these same appliances. So stainless steel fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and a stove. Plenty of cabinet space in the kitchen for you and your roommates. In the living room, every apartment will have a variation of this furniture, but you will have a couch, coffee table, smart TV, and the stand the TV is on, and some kitchen stools as well. Some apartments also have living room chairs to accompany the couch.
Understood. Guys, the room is fully furnished. That doesn't mean all the decoration in the room.
Right.
So the decorations in the room are very much specified for this particular room as a model unit, but you can change it to any style you want. So these pictures and the paintings and all of these things that you see, that might not be there. But all the couch, all the appliances that you see here, including the TV and the TV stand, all of this will be here, right here for you guys when you move in. And I think that is the washing machine.
In-unit washer and dryer in every apartment.
So if it's a 2 or less than that, you will have a stacked one, and if it's a larger one, then you'll have a one
The
side by side
Correct.
one. So yeah, so as you can see, this particular property has a stacked one because this model has 2 bedrooms in it. Yes.
We'll take a look at the bedrooms.
Yes. I'm excited for looking at this bedroom because it looks like a large space
It is.
than what I'm expecting. Oh my God, this has a view as well. So you have a nice little view of the outside, and then you have a study table, storage space. I think this room is specified with a pet as well. So you have a pet space, and then you have your full-size bed. And I'm guessing there is a storage space underneath as well.
So that dresser, you can
Yeah,
put it
so-
either there or under your bed.
Yeah, so you have 2 options. You can either keep it here. This room has a lot of space, so I think they have kept it outside, but you can also keep it down there below the bed so that you can have more space in your room as well. And heading into, let me just show you the bed and the space completely, and then I'll move to the loo. This is the washroom. You have a full set washroom with a counter and storage space underneath it, and then you have the commode, and which is clean and which is kept very nicely. And then the speciality of the bathroom itself is the bathtub, which is also coming with the unit. And I'm guessing there is, on my right, I think this is the storage facility that you have, a walk-in closet. Basically, you can keep all the clothes that you want to keep out and not folded right here. It's a huge space as well. It's not a small space. It has ample of space here. And then you can always choose to keep your stuff inside that as well. So essentially, a student will only share the common area with the
Yes, with this floor.
with the roommate. Other than that, that person is not sharing anything.
Right.
Yeah. Now, normally this is not a normal thing in any of the cities in the USA. You don't get a balcony, but let me just show you what standard Atlanta is giving you. If you are a student who is going to Georgia Tech and you are looking for housing, you're getting not only a small little French window gallery, you are actually getting a proper size balcony with seating arrangements right here. As you can see, this is not a small balcony, and you can always see your neighbors and stuff like that, have an amazing view of the university and all of those things as well. Heading on to the second room. Heading on to the second room, it's almost a similar size of the first room. I think you guys have a first come, first serve service where you basically choose a room type and then you match with a roommate later. So you pay for the room and then basically match with a roommate later. and that'll be matched based on your preferences and their preferences. I think there's a portal for that, right?
Yes, correct.
There's a portal for that, so you can choose your roommates as well. And as you can see, like we mentioned in the other room, in this room the extra storage is down below the bed, and which is great as well, so it gives you more room in the room itself. Otherwise you can always keep it somewhere there and move your bed a little bit and work around that. Again, this also comes with an amazing little space, which is tall. I guess you can actually fit in another closet inside that. Yeah, if you're tall enough, you can. And then you have a full-size bathroom, just like the other rooms, where you have a bathtub, you have a stand-in shower, and then you have an area where you have more storage. You can keep all of the stuff here, as well as a commode. So that's it, guys. This is the tour of the Standard in Atlanta, very close to the university, almost walkable, so easily walkable. I would suggest you should definitely look at this property.
Yes, that was the conclusion of our tour. You guys should definitely check us out. We would love to have you.
Thank you so much, Kelly.